Wow, wow, wow. Hello again. We're in the Lake District again. I basically live here now. But today we are going to Honister Pass, and if you've not been here before, what a spot. It's absolutely incredible. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to take you through Honister Pass. Let's go. Okay, so I've been walking for about 30 seconds and I can't help myself but stop. Like, look at this. I tell you what, when it's sunny in the Lake District, it's like, there's nothing better. But time to get a move on. Let's carry on. I promise I'll be going to Honister Pass at some point, but wow, I can't help myself. Absolutely stunning. Take a look at this. Just climbed down this little hill, but I don't want to go. Especially when you've got spots like this all to yourself. Like, there is nothing better. So if you've never been to the Lake District, here's a little teaser for you. Get yourself here. We've still got time before summer starts. We're only halfway through March as well, absolutely sweating, but look at that for a view in the background, absolutely gorgeous, got a lovely waterfall, couldn't ask for anything else. But anyway, shouldn't be too far from Honister Pass, maybe another half an hour, so I'll be coming soon. And I've also got this, my drone, so cue some absolutely lovely clips coming your way. Found a random little orange on the floor. Whee! Oh. Hey! Where's it gonna go? The best content on YouTube you've ever seen. Go on. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was boring. There we go, after about 50 million stops, taking all the drone shots and all the camera shots in the world, we're almost here. It's just round this corner. I'll give you a little peek. There we go, that's where we're going, literally just round that corner, and then we're going to be there. Oh, lucky for you, you don't have to do the hard part, the walking. And I think I've just shown it as well, but that plane going through the valley was absolutely brilliant. Just came around the corner, but I had my drone out as well. Luckily my drone was just off the ground, but must have only been 40-50 meters above ground, flying really low, and then just twisted through, and then must have went through Honister Pass. Absolutely brilliant. And look what we have here. Sheepy, Mr. Sheepy, hello. You give us a wave. Meh. There we go. Not interested. Here we go. Here is our first peak of Honister Pass. Beautiful. Let's get ready to go. And we have arrived at the amazing Honister Pass. I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1. There we go. I don't know words can describe this spot. Let's get me out of the view anyway. There you go, look at that. What a spectacular spot. The wide angle makes it look smaller than it actually is. You know, I think it's time for drone time. Let's skip straight into the drone shots. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Another sheepy friend. Hello. Do you want to be my friend? Go on then, bugger off. Go on, bugger off. Oh, there we go. I hope you enjoyed those. Just the sun was a little bit off, that's the only thing. You see all of that was shadowed up there, just with the angle of the sun and stuff. But should hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get some good shots. But I'm just heading down through Honister Pass now. But if you've never been here, absolutely 100% recommend. You've got to come here if you're in the Lake District. I think it's a must. And just when I get down here, you'll see how much the mountains tower over on each side. Absolutely lovely. Look at that from the sheepies. You don't stop for nobody. And what makes this spot even better is the fact that there's this little stream going the whole way down. You've got to come here if you haven't been. I'm telling you now. And if you've never been at the Lake District, well, you're in trouble. I'm not going to hurt you, you dafty. That one's got its food, got its dinner. What are you having for tea, mate? What are you having for tea? He's got it in his lips, look at him. You need a bib, you. Oh, I've put you off your tea. Sorry. Oh, it must be tasty. He's licking his lips. Licking your lips. Oh, if people saw me now, they'd think I'm crazy. The ironic thing is, I'm putting it up on the internet, so I think when you do a big long solo hike as well, you do start going mad. On a last little note as well, it's crazy to think that all of this was pretty much sculpted by ice. So during the last glacial maximum, I think it's called, about 11,000 years ago, when we're at the last peak of the ice age, all of this probably would have been filled with a glacier, and then big massive boulders like that one on the ground there would have been carried through in the ice and pretty much carved away like most of this valley possibly. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up while I'm still here, otherwise I'll ramble on forever. Last little peek at the views. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed it. Get yourself here. Goodbye. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you do want to watch a full video with all those drone shots in, it should be coming soon. So click the little red subscribe button down below. I appreciate that. Thank you.